Hello, lovely people of crafting universe. Today I'm going to show you an album which I made firstly thinking of myself. As a crafter, I have a lot of notebooks where I write down all my ideas, but mostly I write down my ideas on random pieces of paper. And when I need to find something, of course I cannot find anything. And if you are a paper crafter, you know that you have millions and millions of pieces of random pieces of paper. So to find what you need, impossible when you need it. So I decided to make an album, a book, to write down all my ideas. I took a paper pad from Stamperia, which is called Patchwork. Sorry, sometimes I'm not very organized, so I didn't film the paper pad before I used it. But I will link under this video to the paper pad, and this is all that's left. The album is quite big, so I had to use a lot of paper, and just small scraps are left for smaller projects. Okay, so this is the book. I just love these papers. They are created for crafters. See all the tiny little patchwork pieces and home sweet home thing. Oh, okay, so let's open it up. This is all magnetized. First cover, second cover. So you see I try to give to a crafter a lot of pockets, just to try to organize all the small pieces of paper where you write whatever comes into your mind. And this Stamperia pad has these, oh, sorry, I dropped it, of course. This Stamperia pad, pad has these little pieces of, I don't even know what they are supposed to be, but they are like meant to be for writing down little ideas. So I just cut them out and left them as they are. They are perfect the way they are. Another pocket with even more little pieces of paper to write your ideas on. Let's open the big covers. Ta-da! So I added some copying paper, some millimeter paper. I'm not sure how you call this in English, but in my language you call these millimeter paper to draw precisely what you want to draw. So another pocket. See, isn't this design gorgeous? Oh. And another cover, and three more pockets for all your ideas. And again, the paper pad included even bigger pieces of paper, perfect for writing down your ideas. See, and three big pockets here. And then we come to the central part, which is a little box which contains an album. So to be more organized, or to write down, or to paint or draw something that comes into your head. And if we open it up, we see another big pocket. These are all vintage papers from the thrift store. And I made an album with four signatures, which are sewn in, so they open flat, so you can draw or write whatever you want. And just look at those papers. See? And I also added, of course, some envelopes to put more papers in. And just for fun, I added a pencil. So, and this goes back like this. So you can carry around this little booklet, you can carry around with you in your bag. And this is just to make it all more beautiful and to add, as I said, those millions and millions of little pieces of paper. And we close one. Oh, it's gorgeous. Close two. And close the cover. And close the cover. Okay, see you next time for even more lovely ideas. Bye bye.